Hello, come in, breaker. We got a donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2x8. This is a repair video. Had two blown pills in it. Customer told me he's going to run to Kenwood, said something about a straight 8 when he's going to buy from me, and told me his deck key was set just too high power Kenwood. And I told him, it wouldn't run, but we talked about it. Anyway, he picked this up off eBay, took it and stuck that Kenwood into it, and didn't keep his deck key down. You know what happened? Blow 2 pills. Deck key and SWR kills them. Remember, 25 watts per output transistor, so it's 2x8, should key 200 tops. Alright, that's enough. Let's look at the straight through. We're gonna look at the 5 watt select straight through, radio drive. Worldwide. Little 5. Straight through SWR. Worldwide. 0. Turn him on, very wide open. Running 14.8 volts. Output reflect, wide open, 5 watt reverse. Worldwide, not even half a watt. Worldwide. Input SWR, going down. Voltage, worldwide. 1000 watt slug, average. Worldwide. Of course, at the peak, you know what's going to happen. Alright, really 2500 watt slug. PEP. Worldwide. Donkey Stomper. Worldwide. Get on down, worldwide, 1700 pp, get on down. There she is, all repaired and ready to go. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Thanks for watching. Your friend Tim, 018B. We'll catch you later.